Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I actually have a question I want to ask you. What is your story? The reason I want to ask this is because if you're looking to build any sort of online business, if you're looking to promote any sort of product that is, there to, solve a big need in the marketplace, this is especially if you are in, say the health and wellness niche, the dating niche, or of course the make money online niche, so anything business related. If you are looking to promote any product like that that is there to solve a big need, one of the most important things you should really have is a good story to tell. And the reason why I recommend this is because stories are really known to sell. Stories have been proven to really influence someone to want to buy your product. I mean, think of it this way, right? Have you ever, I'm sure if you are watching this video, you've probably seen plenty of sales videos out there, and most of them that you have likely bought from, they have a really good story that they told. So stories are known to really put your audience in your shoes, and it really allows them to really think and really imagine what is actually possible for them. So most people who are looking to get in any sort of online business, or who want to either increase their income, the amount of money they make, or who are looking to get into better shape, they may not be fully aware of what is actually possible for them. They may not actually believe that your solution will actually help them out. So what you got to do is, whatever product it is you're looking to promote in that niche, you have to have a really good story to tell. And when you have a really good story to tell, it's going to allow you to really it's going to allow your audience to really relate to you, and you're going to seem much more relatable. So I have a pop-up here. But if you actually share if you share struggles that you went through, certain flaws. I mean, most people, they have some sort of thing that they're looking to overcome. Maybe it's something related to their skin. Maybe it's in terms of business. Maybe they're looking to make more money, or maybe they're looking to improve their relationships, or find find the love of their life, or whatever the case is. Chances are they have some sort of limiting belief, or some sort of struggle that they are at the least going through. And when you share your own story, and you share a lot of flaws that you had, or a lot of things that you struggled with, chances are your audience is actually going to relate to you, because they may have those same exact flaws. So then when you share your story of what you did to improve that that specific problem you're facing, or to improve your life in any area of any aspect of your life, this is what's really going to allow for your audience to really think of what is actually possible. And when you share this, and you really this is what's really going to allow them to become emotional. And when your audience becomes emotional, I mean, people generally buy based on emotion, and they back it up with logic. People generally buy something because either they want to experience a certain pleasure, or they want to escape pain. So when you are sharing some sort of story that has allowed you to escape pain, and you really share it, and of course, I would never recommend lying, but you of course want to share a good story to tell that will give them a good understanding of what it is you went through, and how, and the action steps that you taken to improve any aspect of your life that you went through. So for instance, if you are looking to increase, if you're looking to make money online, and you have some sort of product to promote that is in that niche. I apologize if it sounds kind of windy out here, but if you are looking to promote any sort of product in that niche, in making money online, and you have some sort of product to promote, in that niche, what you could do is you could actually, you could tell a story of how you actually, overcame the problem that you are facing. And if you don't have, a story to tell, like if you're in that niche and you don't have a story of your own to tell, what you could actually do is you could leverage someone else's story. So if you are in some sort of mentorship program, my phone's on 10%, so I gotta go really quick. If you're in some sort of mentorship program, and your mentor has really great results, what you could do is you could actually leverage his story, or her story, and really talk about what it is that they went through to improve their life. As long as you are able to share a good story, something that will actually show what is actually possible for the average person, this is what's really going to allow your audience to have a better understanding of what is actually possible, and it will make them much more interested in actually buying whatever product it is you have. So that's really the message I want to put out there. I know it's kind of a shorter video, but my phone is going to die any second, so I kind of have to wrap this up now. But hopefully you found this message helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and if you'd like to learn how you could build a profitable business online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, any sort of online business, there will be a link in the description where you can get access to a free webinar, and that's going to show you how you could pretty much build any sort of business and pretty much become your own independent marketer. So you won't have to depend on any sort of system to do all the selling and telling for you, but this will set you up to pretty much become independent and succeed in any niche you are looking to go into, any product. This is what you're going to learn in this webinar. So be sure to check out that webinar, see what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below, and take care.